Friends, we all wish to install a good touchscreen car stereo in our vehicle, which can help us in navigation, Bluetooth calling, watch videos, listen to music and so on. Today I will share my experience of Alpha 1 touchscreen Android car stereo that I got installed in my Nissan Magnite. Let us start the review. Well, Alpha 1 is a reliable brand as far as car touchscreen stereos are concerned. I got the 2GB RAM and the 32GB ROM model. It has a 9-inch high-resolution display with full HD support. It comes with Android 12 and it supports phone link connection. The model number is AF201. It comes with scratchless Gorilla Glass. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It comes with 2 USB slots so that you can play your content. You get a free external mic with this car stereo. So it comes with HD reverse camera support. So there is no Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in this car stereo. I got 300 watts JBL speakers fitted in all car doors. However, the sound was not good at all, so I went for an amplifier from AutoStar that was installed under the seat. Now the sound is superb. Rear camera from M-Trax, model number MTC007 Hawk's Eye has been installed, which has HD support. Remember to get the correct bezel frame for best fitting. Let us look at all the features quickly. On the main screen we can see the BT apps, navigation, video player, apps, music, radio, clock. The main features I use are navigation with Google Maps and listening to music. Connection to Bluetooth on your phone will allow you to take calls as well as dial them. When you enable the personal hotspot on your phone, then your car stereo can connect through the Wi-Fi. Now you can run apps like YouTube. Let us play a video at 1080p on YouTube. Wow, look at the clarity. Let us hear an NCS song on YouTube to test the sound. So Google Maps take a lot of time to load and really test my patience. However, once the maps are loaded and you have entered your destination, then the Google Maps works very well. The display wallpaper shows the speedometer, and if I turn the headlights on, the headlights are turned on in the animated car on the display wallpaper as well. The reverse camera works very well and helps reversing especially a lot in the big cars. I bought this car stereo for rupees 8,000. But I would suggest that you explore your car accessories market. You might get it for much cheaper right now. Friends, car touchscreen system is really an excellent source of entertainment. All the touchscreen car stereos are made in China and almost have the same interface and the features. Just remember to buy the 4GB RAM model at least. I would suggest that you explore your local car accessories market and then decide on which model you want to buy. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by Alpha 1 or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.